My goal is not for you to get information, but my goal is for you to understand the information. One of my favorite books talked about a king named Solomon. And King Solomon said that he prayed for wisdom, knowledge, and understanding. Correct? And so knowledge is information that we're missing. Understanding is the comprehension of the information.
So today we're going to be talking about building wealth through real estate investing, financial and credit building practices for success. And these are just a few bits of advice that I have for you. Do we have any new investors? Nothing beats a failure but a try. Meaning, how do you know that you're going to do it or you can't do it unless you try to do it? Am I right? So let me tell you, I probably would be further along if I would have started when I first set out that goal.
My name is Harold. I had the opportunity to enjoy today's conference. I was able to learn about credit, also how to acquire properties in a proper manner.
Hello, I'm Glenn Moore with Gem Construction Group, CEO, developer. We work on commercial residential properties. We learned a lot of information that we'll be able to take back and use within our business, and definitely enjoy the networking experience to be able to partner with other businesses as well.
Hi, I'm Cornetta Lair of Lair Notary and Tax Pros and Lair Business Consulting. And now I know how to leverage money, invest more into other properties to make more money.
Hi, my name is Shannon Blanks, and one of the things that I did learn from today's seminar was about personal credit, developing business credit, and with me is really important because I do want to break the generational curse that I'm in, kind of like living paycheck to paycheck. So now I'm going to be having, growing generational wealth for my kids and my grandkids.
Hi, I'm Leslie. I am a business owner currently. I own investment properties already. I wasn't sure how to expand my portfolio. However, I've learned great information during this conference to make sure that I know what I was doing, and now I'm very confident that I could expand my portfolio, create some family wealth.